So let's get chalking. The very first thing you're going to do is remove the backing paper, and you're going to just put that off to the side because you will need to use that again when you're storing your transfer. The next thing we're going to do is what's called fuzzing. Our transfers are very sticky, and so to make it easier to work with, we fuzz them, and what that means is that we just pick up a little bit of lint. So I'm using our fuzzing cloth here, but really a towel, a hand towel, your shirt, your pants, anything will work. You just want to pick up just a little bit of lint so it's not so sticky. And then you're just going to place it on your board, and I like to swoop. So you see how I just kind of lifted it up a little bit and then I swooped it down, and it makes it just very easy to slide and just lay on your chalkboard without it getting stuck everywhere. Then all you're going to do is just smooth it down. So rub your hand over it. You want everything to be all smoothed down, and then you are ready for chalking. Now we're ready to begin the chalking process. So you're just going to take some paste out of your jar or out of your sample packs, and you're able to just spread that right over your lettering. And what you want to do is you want to have a nice thin layer, so you can put it on a little bit thick and then go run across it and scrape off all the extra and put that back in your jar. On this project, I'm using the chalk and pull method, and what that does is it prevents drying to the screen, and it's very important to use when you're working on big pieces that are large. This one is 12 by 18. So what it does is it prevents our chalk from sticking to the screen. So what you want to do is you just want to pull it up just a little bit to break that seal, and I'm going to do that in just a moment here once I finish this detail, and then I'm going to do the other white section in the middle. And I like to break this specific design up into thirds. So I'm just going to finish chalking this section right here, and then you'll notice that I'm going to just peel it back and break that seal, lift it up, and then just gently lay it back down. So we're going to peel and then see how I just lay it back down. You can see the bubbles. I'm not sticking it to the letters again. I'm just gently laying it down. And then I'm going to come in and finish up all these detail pieces, like these little dots on all of these lines, and I'm just doing that in our coastal blue color. And you see how I apply it and then I wipe it off. So that's kind of the method that you're going to use as well. You could use your finger here too. It's really easy to do since the space is so small. And then again, you're just going to finish up by applying your chalk paste. And like I said, you can put it on and then scrape off all of the extra. Once you can see your design, you know that you have scraped off an adequate amount. And then just peel the entire thing back, revealing your awesome. Now really quickly, we just need to wash our transfer, and all I do is I take it to the sink. I use this board eraser. You can use a magic eraser or just a paper towel, works well, and the chalk will come right off because it is water soluble. So just give it a quick wipe down, and then just lay flat sticky side up to dry, and then put it back on the backing paper, and you're ready to go. And look at your beautiful finished project. Aren't you proud?